Hi everyone, meet Rachel Brown. She shops items from Amazon frequently, but she does not know how to change her Amazon account's password. Follow our 4-step easy guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to www.amazon.com and sign into your Amazon account. Enter your registered email or phone number and password. Step 2. Click on Account and Lists and select Account. Step 3. Select Login and Security as shown on the screen. This shows your personal information including password. To change your account's password, select the Edit button as shown. In case you wanted to change your email, phone number or other personal information, you can click on the Edit button next to it and change it. Now type your current password. Next, choose a new password with at least 6 characters using alphabets and/or numbers, for example Learning 2022. Now retype the password one more time to match it exactly. Once finished, click on Save Changes as shown on the screen. Congratulations, you are all set. Rachel can now change her Amazon account's password and other personal information conveniently with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is presented by the Boomerem, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide.